Welcome to the future of dumb money. For too long, institutional players have manipulated markets at the expense of retail traders. ForexLens leverages advanced AI and blockchain technology to expose these practices, providing our community with the insights traditionally reserved for institutional trading desks. Through decentralization and transparency, we're leveling the playing field and returning power to individual traders. Daily live sessions with institutional traders for each market open. We broadcast on X, YouTube, Twitch, Discord, Telegram, and our WebXR portal. Covering Forex, stocks, crypto, tokens, and commodities. Our AI analyzes our live traders in real time and they collaborate together to provide the best trading opportunities. Our other AI formulates an overarching unified market view, consolidating confluence points and providing a clear direction. Real-time institutional order flow tracking. Dark pool activity monitoring. Stop hunt pattern detection. Manipulation tactic alerts. Institutional strategy reveals. Community-driven market insights. Manipulation-aware trading strategies. Collective defense mechanisms. We are quantum and regulatory conscious. As a holder you get access to AI query credits, WebXR access levels, governance rights, and premium feature unlocks. 20% of total supply allocated to founders with milestone-based vesting. Regular airdrops planned for community growth and early adopters. Governance rights for token holders to influence platform development. Buyback and burn mechanisms may be implemented based on community voting. Decentralized finance meets advanced AI to empower traders. We are the DeFAI project that exposes market manipulation. Hold ForexLens and join us in the fight for your capital.